Hey everyone, right, today's video is going to be about these street lights or platform lights. Right, so we have here some of these cheap lights from eBay. They're very cheap. They're about £8 for 10, I think, something like that. So there's 4 wires, focus, 4 wires coming out, 2 blue, 2 red. Why they can't put them together inside there and then just have 2 wires coming out, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is solder the 2 red wires together and the 2 blue wires together, and then I'm going to extend them, which I've been doing to some of them. So this is what I've got. So yeah, just extended it just with some extra wire, 15 centimeters or something like that. I will put some heat shrink on there once it's through the baseboard. So when these came, this piece here was actually fixed, super glued further down there. So I just gave it a squish with some pliers and it broke the glue, enabled me to, so I can adjust the height, because as standard, that, I can't even get it all in a shot, would have been way too high. So I want it probably something like that. So these are some that I've already installed. The first thing I had to do was work out how far apart I want them. So I've done them exactly 20 centimeters apart. I haven't fixed these in yet. These are still loose. I can still adjust the height. I'll put a dab of super glue on there, just hold them in place once I've sorted the electrics and made sure they're all working okay. So as you can see, that part up there has been done. So I'm now going to move down and do the part behind the camera here. I need to work out where from here I'm going to do the first one. Right, so the platform's about 10 centimeters wide, so we want a hole roughly in the middle. So we're going to go about there, and we're going to go straight through the cardboard and straight through the baseboard. Check underneath, make sure the holes come through. Just got a bit of wire, just put that through, make sure nothing's in the way, because there is some cork under here, so that could foul it. And this is the fun bit. So, because it's only either a 2.5 or 3 mil hole, so I get one wire through. There's going to be some editing on this. And then we're going to go all the way through till we've just got the narrower wire through. I'm going to feed the other one through. Now we can pull that through from underneath. And then push that through. So on these, the main metal sort of post bit actually goes all the way through the baseboard out the bottom, which is quite good, gives it a nice bit of strength. So it all went pretty much as planned. These ones have still got to be connected up underneath. Made one small error, so I drilled a hole there, and I thought it was going to miss the sort of cross piece underneath, but it didn't. There's no way I could move it, so I've got a pointless hole in the baseboard there, but I will just put a bin over it or something like that. Not bad for 7 or 8 quid. So I'm not going to show you the wiring underneath. I'm not a wiring expert. It's not brilliantly tidy. I will gradually tidy it up as I do the rest of the wiring underneath as well. It's not something I'm proud of, so I shan't be showing you. There's other videos on the internet that show you much neater ways to do wiring than I do. Just got to do the same on this, on the near side platform here, and then I've got single lights to go along the other platform on this side. As I've now completed all the lights on the far platform, I'll just turn the light off and I'll show you them. Alright, so can't really see those ones because the building's in the way, but you get the idea. I think they look pretty good. So just got to decide whether I'm going to paint them or not. Turn the light back on. Yeah, I'm not sure whether to paint the little base bit, even the collar there and the actual tops of the lamps themselves. I think they look pretty good in a GWR green. So I may well do that, and then I'll glue them in place because they're not yet fixed. Again, I won't show you the wiring underneath because it's horrendous, and as I do more, I've obviously still got to do the lights on this platform here and the other end, so I'll be still doing stuff with the wiring underneath. That's pretty much it for today, so thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see the previous video, click the top link. If you'd like to subscribe, click the bottom link. Thanks.